Welcome back, YouTube. Today we have a pretty fun project on this 958 Cayenne. What we're going to be doing is replacing this piece of trim with the factory clock. As you can see all the way through here, past my hanger, right here. And we have the factory harness, which I'm going to show you what we're going to have to do with this to get it to work. But without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, we're gonna have to modify this cable right here. Now, all we need from it is this plug right here and wires long enough to go down. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut out this tape right here, and we're going to cut out the part we need. And then we're going to cut off the end and use the rest of the cables to extend what we need, because you do want it to be a little bit long, at least longer than what this is, to make it easier to install in the vehicle. So let's take the tape off first. Here's my solder cam. And all this is doing right here is extending these wires out. These colors here should be the same as what's behind your PCM, and we'll get to that when we crack it open. But I'm going to keep soldering these, and I'll come back to you when I'm done. Alright, so our custom length harness is made. All we got to do is put it in the car and start taking it apart so we can get this in. Alright, hopefully it's not too much noise. It's really hot here in Texas. I got a fan. Now, the first step we're going to do is get these vents off. Now, it's kind of hard to see. You're going to want to get yourself a pick. But down in here, if I can find it, there's a little clip in there. I'll show you when I get it out. And you're just going to pry each clip over and slowly pull this forward. So let's see if we can do that real quick. Alright, now there's some light in there. These right here are what you're pulling forward. So you see, you get the tip of the pick in there. See how it pulls in like that? What you're doing is you're pulling this clip in right here. Same thing all four. And then if you pick it up from the bottom first, you don't have to get this one pulled down. The one right up there. Now we'll get this other vent out. Okay, up next we're going to get our T27 Torx, and we're going to remove these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll pull it out, and we will angle it this way so we can unplug it. Okay, this is where you use your discretion. So you can cut, splice, solder, wiretap how you want. As you can see, we have 4 wires: brown, white, red, yellow, orange, purple, and orange, brown. And on this plug right here on your PCM is where we're going to splice our wires: brown, white, red, yellow, orange, purple, orange, brown. They're the same exact colors. Once we have that spliced in, where we need it to be, the wire is going to feed up through into here, and I'll show you that once I get it done. Okay, now with that soldered up, we could plug this back in. Kind of hard to do on camera, but we will get her done. All right, and then this will be fed up top. All right, next step, we're gonna take off this piece of trim. There's a clip right here. Once you get that up, you should be able to work your way around and just slowly pry it. Don't force anything. This little piece of trim is probably still worth something to someone. You could always take your old pieces and sell them. No screws hold this in. All right, now this piece right here will be fed up through into here. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you, that was a lot easier said than done. I really struggled to get this wire up here, but as you can see, I pushed it up above this plate, and it had just enough room to come through. So let's get the PCM slid back in there. Now we're screwing it back in. Okay, so let's plug the clock in. And the moment we've all been waiting for, let's put this piece of trim down. It's hard to do with one hand. All right, 1 second. Sorry, I had to like kind of get up out of the seat and push it in. Anyways, so there's a lot of controversy on this next part, whether you have to go in to the computer with a scanner like PIWIS and program this, or program it through PCM. What I have heard is that you could turn the key in the ignition twice. So we'll go on, off, on. All right, so it's not showing the time yet, so let's go to the settings and see if we can figure this out. So give me 1 second. Okay, I made a mistake. There is a brown and white wire, and I wired the brown and white wire to the brown and white wire, but in this case you want to wire the brown and white wire to the solid brown wire. Once I did that, clock came to life. So let's get this back together, and then I'll show you again the completed process. So there's the clock ticking away. Now, if this video is helpful and you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned because I have some other stuff to do on this 958. And it should be a pretty fun little bit of events coming up. I'm also thinking about doing maybe a comparison video between the 958 and the 957. But anyways, that's all that I have for you today, guys and gals. Have a good one.